8-man tag team action, including the tag team champions Cesaro and Kidd teaming up tonight with the Ascension to take on the New Day, and a brand new team on the scene here in WWE.
Vuracağız, kıracağız, patlayacağız. Vuracağız, kıracağız, bu maçı da alacağız.
Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son ses. Bugü vallahi hadi bu ciğaramız enfes. Boş kafayla yaptın lan ses kes. Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son ses. Bugü vallahi hadi bu ciğaramız enfes. Boş kafayla yaptın lan ses kes. Ramo armanız hadi çöz bize bomba. Tekine torbacı veririz sonra. O işler öyle olmuyor usta. Tekrar yok isyan gidik vizyonda. Kalk kardeş 3-5 bir şey yapa. Rüyamda gördüm şu bankayı soya. Gittiğimiz gibi direkt paket ola. Nezarette yine mevzu çıkarta. Adana çocuğu bu, ayıktın güzeli. Mahkemeye gidip ifade verelim.
So the Lucha Dragons teaming with Kofi and Big E and New Day to take on the tag team champions Tyson Kidd and Cesaro and the Ascension. And it'll be Cesaro starting things off against Sin Cara in this tag team matchup. Cesaro and Tyson Kidd surviving a fatal four-way match, successfully defending their tag team titles last night. And Cesaro, shoulders down, and here's Allahu Akbar! There goes Cesaro. Tell you, John, you Luchadors, the Lucha Dragons, a lot of fun.
They're a fantastic team and an exciting team to watch. They're the ones that knocked off the Ascension after their long title reign down in NXT.
And look at Cesaro just trash-talking Sin Cara. Very confident after the victory last night in the Fatal 4-Way. Armbar takedown. Into the cover, shoulders down, and a kick out by Cesaro.
Always like Sin Cara, now he's got a partner. Maybe that's the one thing that he
Here
needs to take him to the top.
Kalisto, and off the tag. And Cesaro looking to ground the Luchador.
This is a contrast of styles.
You think?
The big, tough, physical Cesaro and the Lucha style of Kalisto.
And Kalisto gonna, thought he was gonna send Cesaro flying, but the powerhouse Cesaro. Kalisto off the ropes now, look out. Look at this! Great balance! And he's got Cesaro off balance now!
This kid is good. Wow! Listen to the unit.
Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son ses.
Cesaro has no idea what just happened to him. I don't either.
Now it's regroup time for Cesaro Kidd the Ascension.
Well, what do you call that? What do you call that move?
Good?
No, it's called a spinneroonie.
Watch this.
That's not saying, whoa!
All over the place. Cesaro didn't know if he was coming or going.
That's the Lucha style of the spinneroonie.
I'll give you that.
And there's Big E from New Day set to take on Connor of Ascension. Xavier Woods, the New Day, lead the crowd.
We've added a little bit to the chant of New Day here in San Jose.
Tag. Here comes Kofi Kingston. Kofi, legal man, takes out Connor. Cover on the Ascension. Isn't enough and a kick out at one.
Simplicity is not going to be so easy here in the WWE to go to the top of the ladder.
New Day were involved in that fatal four-way matchup last night.
I believe I can fly.
And here's Sin Cara back in again. All right, folks, Sin Cara always an incredible competitor, but now he's got a tremendous partner. And you hear the NXT chants filling the arena here tonight because both the Ascension and the Lucha Dragons came from there.
Well, basically everybody in this ring came from there except for Kofi Kingston.
Big E as well. Tyson Kidd, Cesaro have had success down there. Take another look at Kalisto. This is absolutely incredible. First, check out the balance right there, guys.
Wow. Acrobatics with the greatest of ease right there.
Now the double team by the Ascension. Oh!
Out grounder, Luchador.
Cover by Connor. Hook of the leg and a kick out. Our 8-man tag team match continues live on Monday Night Raw. Back live on Monday Night Raw. Tyson Kidd Cesaro, the tag team champions.
Holy!
Tagging with the Ascension against the Lucha Dragons from NXT, and also Big E and Kofi Kingston. Uh-oh. I think we know what's coming now.
Lucha about to go a swinging.
Sin Cara
The swinging
Oh,
is not so bad. It's the sudden stop.
by the tag team champs. Cover. And it was Kalisto, the tag team partner, Sin Cara, breaking things up.
What a tag team partner is supposed to do.
Now Connor. Oh, Sin Cara and Seguri. Now can he make the tag?
Xavier leading that new chant for New Day.
Lan siz kime şekil yapıyorsunuz? Kime şekil yapıyorsunuz? Benim adım Bomba, soyadım Ölüm lan.
Kick to Cesaro.
Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son ses. Bugü vallahi hadi bu ciğaramız enfes. Boş kafayla yaptın lan ses kes. Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son ses. Bugü vallahi hadi bu ciğaramız enfes. Boş kafayla yaptın lan ses kes. Ramo Armanız hadi çöz bize bomba.
I think we own to something.
I think we are.
Crossbody, lateral press, hook of the leg, and Tyson Kidd it too.
Any reaction's a good reaction.
Tag Cesaro.
I don't know if Kofi knows there's a tag.
Oh, what an uppercut.
Doesn't matter.
Good night.
Oh!
Didn't I tell you?
Well, Cesaro up the uppercut, wanted to put Kofi away, and Victor tagged himself in, and Cesaro didn't like it.
In the meantime, they've given Kofi a chance to regroup.
Oh, here we go. Oh, Kofi almost had him. Whoa.
Beat.
Kalisto.
Yok amına.
360.
Look at Kalisto go. Right to the face. Oh, first. That could be it. Hook of the leg. Oh, and it's
This
Cesaro.
kid got a career.
I believe I can fly.
Big guy.
Whoa, man.
I believe I can fly.
Right out of Cesaro.
That's teamwork.
And Connor.
So is that.
And that is two. And Kofi Lord.
Headshot.
Wow. Kofi hit as hard as he did much damage to himself.
Bırakın gelsin. Bırakın gelsin. Gel hele gel gel. Gel hele gel.
He calls out the Salida del Sol. The Salida del Sol. Adana merkez patlıyor herkes. Şekeri atan kopmalı kaçıyor son set.
We might have to get every talent from NXT on this roster.
Right now.
Hey, Seth
We're all
Rollins
gonna
is the
lose
champ. He came from the
Lucha.
And speaking of Seth Rollins, we understand that Seth Rollins is here, ladies and gentlemen. The WWE World Heavyweight Champion.